Hello friends, I am Sanjay Kumar. In this video we are going to see different ways of installing Python modules. Before that we should check Python version and PIP version. For that I am going to go to Windows PowerShell or Windows Terminal, then type PIP double hyphen version, and here you can see Python pip version is 22.1.2. To check the Python version you have to type Python double hyphen version and click enter. Yes, you can see Python version is 3.9.7. If this process is not correct in your computer, then you should go to environmental variables and click environmental variables and go to path, and here you see the Python path is added in the environmental variable. If it's not added, add the path and click OK. The first way of installing Python modules is using PIP. So that I'm going to go to my favorite browser, that is Chrome browser, and then type. Let's say I'm going to install OpenCV, for instance. So OpenCV pypi, and go to the website, official website, that is pypi.org, and then click on this tiny icon. Now the command will be copied to your clipboard, and then go to command prompt or Windows terminal, and then paste the command and click enter. Now the Python module will be installed in your computer. I have already installed OpenCV, so it shows requirement already satisfied. And the next method of installation is using pipwin. For that, go to this website, and here you can see pipwin is a complementary tool for pip on Windows, and pipwin is the unofficial way of installing Python modules. So click on this icon, go to terminal, paste the command here, and click enter, and wait until the pipwin module is getting installed. Okay, the pipwin module is installed. Now let's say I'm going to install NumPy using pipwin. For that I'm going to type pipwin install NumPy, enter. Now NumPy will be installed in your computer. You can see NumPy is getting downloaded, and the NumPy is installed in my computer. You can also install Python modules using WHL file or wheels file or build distribution file. For that we are going to go to Chrome and type module name and followed by the wheels file version, something like that. And for that, let's say I'm going to install a module called triangle wheels file. And here I can't find the link, so that I am going to type triangle python wheels file. Here you can see this website, that is lft.uci.edu. Go to the website, and you can see the module name triangle here, and here triangle 2020, this is the module name, and here you can see cp311. This is a Python version. I am using Python 3.9, so I am going to click on this file, that is Python cp39 cp39 win amd 64. This 64-bit laptop, so I am going to use this file. I have already downloaded this file, so I am going to go to the file, and file is here. Now copy the path of this file and go to terminal and then type pip install followed by the path, and then click enter, and the module will be installed in your computer. Here Here you can see processing the file. And the module is successfully installed. In the pypi website, you can also go to the download file option, and here you can see tar.gz file. You can also use this file for installing Python modules, and this is a source distribution file. Sometimes this may not work, so it's not recommended to use this if the wheels file is already there. You can also use GitHub repositories for installing Python modules. For that, we have to search the GitHub repository in the Chrome and then copy the link. Then go to command prompt. Then type pip install git plus the link and then enter. So the model will be cloned from the website and it will be installed in your computer. Now here you can see the model is installed in my computer. So that I'm going to type pip show. Okay. Here you can see the module details. If you are going to install many modules at the same time, you should create a txt file. In the txt file, you should type the module names. Here you can see the OpenCV, Python, Puffin, NumPy, and the PyOutKit. Save this file and copy the path. Go to command prompt and then type pip install -r followed by the path and then click enter. Now here you can see the modules are installed in my computer, and this is the last. If you watch this video until this, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you.